Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to add multiple reminder notes in notification panel of Android smartphones or tablets. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see my Android home screen. So firstly just open the Play Store, and in the Play Store just search for one application name as Notarly, and you will see here the application. Just tap on it and tap on install to install this application. So once the installation is done, just tap on open. On opening, it will ask you some permission. Just click on allow. Now you can read some instructions, or you can just click on skip. Now you can see the user interface of this application, right? So at the bottom you will see here new note, and below to it you will see two archive options. So in order to create a reminder notes, just tap on this new note, and now you can give any title, whatever title you want to add. So let me add a meetings. And you can add a body also, that is a note, some long notes or whatever you want to add. You can change the color of the notifications, whichever color you want. And even you can schedule a time also. If you want to schedule, just tap on it and you can click on this time. You can schedule the respective time on which that time you want to schedule. So right now I will not enable this schedule option. And if you want to repeat the same time, then you can just tap on this repeat and you can add the same time which you have scheduled earlier that you want to repeat here. So once you're done with your settings, just click on create. So now you can see here it's pop-up showing up, and now just swipe down the notification panel, and now you can see the reminder notes is being added in the notification panel. And now if you tap on this down arrow icon on the right corner, you can see the complete notes. Now below you can see two more options, mark as done and snooze. So if your reminder notes is being completed, then you can just click on the mark as done. So if you want to add more reminder notes, once again click on this new note and give whatever name you want to add here. So once you are done, again just click on create. So finally you can see pop-up notifications. Now when you swipe down the notification panel, now you can see here two different reminder notes is being added on the notification panel. So by using this application named as Notarly, you can easily add multiple reminder notes in notification panel of Android smartphones or tablets very easily. So if you never known about this cool application, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.